Welcome
to
Dinosaur
Weekly.
Okay, so first of all, we're gonna be saying 5 facts about each of us. Okay, so my favorite band is Of Mice and Men or The Devil Wears Prada. And my favorite song from Of Mice and Men is Let Live or Bones Exposed, and from The Devil Wears Prada would be Escape. Fact number 2, I love sports. It's like basketball and soccer for me.
Wait.
Excuse me. Okay. Fact number 3 is I've been obsessed with the Vampire Diaries lately. And fact number 4, I have a lot of pets, like a lot. And the last fact is I dye my hair a lot, like a lot. I don't like it. Well, yeah, those were my 5 facts.
Now, me. Carmen, hi. My name's Carmen. And I have hiccups right now because I drank too much soda. Okay, the first fact about myself is that I love koalas. Koalas are life because koalas are cute, fluffy, adorable, like me and you know. And my favorite band, fact number 2 is that my favorite band is Memphis Mayfire. Third fact is I hate sports. I don't like them at all. And my fourth fact is that I love anime. I've been watching Fairy Tail. And I finished reading One Piece, and I finished watching Naruto. And my fifth and final fact is I have a twin. We don't look alike, but and you can hear some. But yeah, it's true. Well, yeah, so now it's your turn. Go ahead.
Okay, so number 1. My favorite band is. Hold on. I think it's either between like All Time Low and Panic at the Disco. My heart's at war with that though, so I don't know yet. And my number 2 fact is I love pandas. They're so cute and aggressive. They will tear you. I'm just kidding. Anyways, fact number 3. I like warm hugs. Fact number 4. I think I might have an addiction with Beastie. You know, I heard what is it? It's
Yeah, something like that.
Alex Dormi
Doran.
Her last name. She said like they're really good, so I started drinking them like last week, and that happened. And then fact number 5. I like My Little Pony.
Who's your favorite pony?
Rainbow Dash.
The book.
Rainbow Dash.
Like obvious.
Okay, so that was just 5 facts about ourselves, just to let you guys have you know what I mean.
Like know a little bit about us.
Have an idea of what we will be like on our individual videos.
Yeah, I won't be this boring because right now it's like 1 in the morning.
No, it's not in the afternoon. It's like it's 3:13 in the morning.
It's 3 in the morning?
3:13 in the morning.
I thought it was 1.
I thought it was 10.
So it's 3 in the morning.
That's why we're wearing our onesies.
yeah. So, I'll be starting your guys' week off on Tuesday. So, I'll see you then.
On Wednesday, we will
Oh.
be doing like group videos.
Oh yeah,
like
group
this.
videos.
And there's the share.
Yeah, and we will also have a special guest on Wednesdays. Her name is Estrella, and she is part of Dinosaur Weekly. So yeah, that's just a new update.
After Wednesday, it would be me doing individual on Thursday.
And on
Then
Friday.
it'll be me on Friday. Yay. Me.
You'll have fun with that.
Yay.
I'm kidding. And on Saturdays, like this, it would be like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, with like a little wrap up of the weekend, what we have done.
And maybe we do a challenge. Just maybe.
Don't know yet.
Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye!